This is Sand Bluff Bird Observatory in Colored Sands Forest Preserve. It is considered one of the premier small bird banding stations in the U.S. Each spring and fall, dozens of volunteers work here to net and band birds that are migrating through or returning here to nest. Over 170 species have been documented here since the banding station opened in the 1970s. The purpose of the banding is to collect data to be entered into a national database that tracks trends in bird populations. Very fine nets, called mist nets, are set up in the woods and prairie surrounding the banding station. Each bird retrieved from the nets is identified by species, gender, and age, and then fitted with a tiny band, like a bracelet, and then released. The numbers on the bands help researchers track the bird's age, range, and migration routes. The banding station is open to the public for tours and observation on Saturday and Sunday mornings in spring and fall. This is a unique opportunity to get up close and personal with wild birds. If you're planning to visit, call 815-629-2671 to confirm. Birdfest, an annual celebration focused on wild birds, is an ideal time to visit Sand Bluff Bird Observatory. Held on the second weekend in May, this festival features banding station tours, exhibits, vendors, crafts, refreshments, and live bird demonstrations. An added bonus on this May weekend is the spectacle of acres of lupin in bloom, a sight not to be missed. Nestled in the northwest corner of the county on the Sugar River, Colored Sands Forest Preserve is a 300-acre site that contains a unique mix of river, floodplain, and sand prairie habitats. Hike the trail system while you're here. Hike to the top of the bluff for a spectacular view of the river. There is a lot to discover at Colored Sands Forest Preserve.